press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, in yesterday's class we learned what are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles, congruent lines, congruent angles, like that we learned. But here now, other than superimposition method, we have another method to tell whether the given triangles are congruent or not. Here some criteria are there to tell whether the given triangles are congruent or not. In them, just I am telling SASS criteria. SAS criterion, A criterion, or H criteria. What in the other than superimposition method, other than, that means other than checking all the sides are equal, all the angles are equally in position with each other or not, just we can go with criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay, just in that first one is SSS criteria. For every criteria you have to write if under a given correspondence. If under a given correspondence. If the three sides of a triangle, if the three sides of a triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of other triangle, then two triangles are congruent. What in this law, in this property, in this criteria, what they are telling, if three sides of a triangle if three sides of a triangle is equaling, with three sides of another triangle, corresponding sides you have to take, if you take this one you have to take this one, if you take this one you have to take this one, if you take AC then you have to take PQ, then it will be corresponding, correct? If three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then we can tell triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. How we have to write? If they give like this, since that means question, if they place question like this, just they gave the measurements, all you have to mention and then you have to write AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and AC is equals to PR. Now three sides of one triangle are equaling with the three sides of another triangle. Then we can tell by using SSS criteria law. You can write by using SSS line. We can tell triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. R. And then SAS criteria. SAS criteria. Without superimposition method in first law, what we did, just we are checking whether the given three sides of one triangle is equaling the three sides of corresponding three sides of another triangle. Then we can state whether the given two triangles are congruent or not. Here SAS criteria, what it will tell, if under a given correspondence, if two sides, if the two sides, other than if you don't write this one directly, you can write if the two sides of one triangle, the two sides and one included angle of a triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of other triangle. What in this statement, what they are telling, if two sides of one triangle is equaling with the two sides of another triangle and included angle, just what they are telling, included angle. Included angles means, if this is a triangle, these are two sides we are taking, included angle means two arms where it is generated. If these two sides we are taking, this one is the included angle. If you take these two means this one will be the included, like that. The two sides where it is passing through, that one will be included angle. Okay, just I am taking one example here. Triangle ABC, triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC, triangle XYZ. Here what they are telling, two sides and one included angle. Two sides and one included angle are equal, then we can tell these two triangles are congruent if they give like this. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay, A, B, C and P, Q, R. Just observe here 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. I am taking here 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Just this is the question. You think that this one will be the example question. 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay. Here these one and this one is 30 degrees and this one is 30 degrees. Okay. If these two are equaling, this AB and QR are equaling, AB and QR are equaling, and then BC and RP are equaling, and the included angle between these two are equaling. So this is satisfying the property, that's why we can tell these two triangles are congruent. When you are writing the order, correspondency order, just how we have to write? Triangle ABC is congruent with, just we have to start from here only. Okay, here only Q R P. If you write P Q R, then it will start from, the chain will start from here, correct? The chain will start from here. Then we can't tell that these two are equal, like that. Okay, Just we have to check according to the correspondency only you have to write. Otherwise just flip or turn this triangle, then you can easily write. Okay. Next criteria is ASA criteria. ASA criteria. ASA criteria means angle, side, angle. ASA. What ASA criteria will tell? Like the last criteria. What in last criteria they told? Two sides and one angle. Here two angles and one side. The two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to two sides and equal to corresponding. Just you have to mention this one. Corresponding two angles and one side. In this chapter, just in the next exercise also we are going to write, we are going to check whether the given triangles, given measurement triangles are congruent or not. Like that only this chapter is. Okay. If under corresponding the two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to the correspondence of corresponding two angles and one side of other triangle, then we can tell that two triangles, the given two triangles are congruent. Example, how the example will be? Here if you see, just here I am taking ABC and PQR. PQR triangles, just I am checking the two angles. The two angles are equaling here. This one is equaling, B is equaling with P and C is equaling with R. Okay. B with P and C with R. And included side means BC with PR, BC with PR. Here it is satisfying three properties, that is two angles and one side of one triangle is equaling with one side of another triangle, then we can tell that two triangles are congruent. Now, how we have to write the order? That means how we have to write the flip. See here how the chain will go. Here the chain will go like this. Correct? Just B, C. Otherwise A, B, C you can take. B, C, A I am taking here. Correspondence to how we have to write here. Just here from the angle, this one only it is started. Na? That's why just you have to go like this. P or Q. Okay. P or Q. Triangle BCA is corresponding with triangle P or Q. We can't write P Q, or if you write like this means that this one is corresponding, the whole chain will be collapsed. That's why we have to write like that. Next, RHS criteria. What RHS criteria? RHS criteria means it is relating with right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. What RHS criteria will tell? RHS, if under corresponding just what it is telling means right angle, obviously right angle will be equal, and then ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ triangle or equaling with the other side here corresponding it is no need to write. Okay, if under correspondence the hypotenuse and other side ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, hypotenuse ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು we will get two sides which are generating with the right angle, correct? Two arms which are generating from right angle ಇಂದ generate ಆಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು. ಓಕೆ, the hypotenuse and other side of one triangle is equal to right angle and one side of other triangle, then we can tell the two triangles are congruent. Okay, here I am taking two triangles. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Obviously right angles will be equal because it is having 90 degrees and 90 degrees measure 5 centimeters. Okay, and base ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬೇಸ್ ಐತೆ, ಹೈಟ್ ಐತೆ. ಹೈಟ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬೇಸನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. We can tell triangle ABC is equaling with triangle PQR. It is like the same order, that's why you can tell these two are equaling in the same order. How it will be? ABC is corresponding with triangle PQR. Directly ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. If the triangles are like this, you have to tell me. If the triangles are placed like this, just we have to check whether it is having right angle or not. This is having right angle and this is having height is equaling here base is equaling, here height is equaling. Just if you flip 2 times, if you flip or turn this triangle 2 times, we will get the triangle like this only. Then you can write, just I am taking here like this only and hypotenuse with hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse in the hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse, and then other side here height again. Okay, how we have to write now? ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC height ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Obviously ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ we have to take or QP. The chain, you don't just you have to think the chain it is going to cover the triangle properly or not. Okay, here the chain is going like this. There the chain is going from here, it is starting, here it is starting from here. Okay, now move on to the exercise 7.2. In exercise 7.2, just I will tell the 2 problems. In next class we will discuss another problems. In this exercise just we are checking whether the given triangles are congruent or not, like that only you have to check. Exercise 7.2. What is exercise 7.2? Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? Here they are giving some questions. This all they are giving, just we have to tell by using which criteria they are congruent. Given also they are giving, given what, given they are giving AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF. See the textbook, then you can write the question easily. See here what they are giving. Here AB is equaling, here AB is equaling DE, BC is equaling EF. Okay, and then obviously this one will be the equal. Okay, here by using which congruency, these BC and in for all they are telling AC equals to DF and AC equals to DF. AC equals to DF also they are giving. Here what they are giving, by using which property, you have to write the property first. By using which criteria, if the three sides of one triangle is equaling with the three sides of another triangle, by using which criteria they are telling that these two are congruent, by using SSS criteria. I think you can write it, but you have to write if under correspondence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to, just you have to write the definitions once again, just I am telling what I am telling. If three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. By using which criteria? By using SSS criterion. By using SSS criterion. And then two triangles. Second, what they are giving two triangles or PQ, Z, X, Y. What given, they are giving ZX equals to RP, RQ equals to ZY, angle PRQ equals to XZY. Here you people, just if you observe this one, just they are taking, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಜೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೆಡ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. This which criteria you are remembering by seeing this? Okay, correct children. Side, angle, side. Just you have to write the definition of side, angle, side criteria first. If two sides and one angle of one triangle are equaling with the corresponding two sides and one angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? By using SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Next, if you see, next they are, by seeing that one, just you can write next, in next figures what they are giving MLN and FGH. In your exercise only it is MLN and FGH. Just will you do it as homework? I think you can do. They are giving two angles and one side. ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ? ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವೇ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನೇನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ನೋಡೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಜಿ ಬಿ ಇ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಬಿ. ಇ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇ ಬಿ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಿಸ್, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವೆರಡು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಫ್ hypotenuse and other side of a right angle triangle is equaling with the hypotenuse and other side of another right triangle, then we can tell that 2 triangles are congruent. And then we have to write by using RHS criterion. By using RHS criteria, we are telling that 2 given triangles are congruent. Okay, next you want to show the triangle. Okay, second one, if you see the second one question. Okay children, first you have to read. Just you only read. This is very very important. This is very easy. You want to show triangle ART congruent to triangle PEN. They are giving 2 triangles. Okay, they are giving 2 triangles. ART PEN. They are giving 2 triangles they are giving and 3 cases they are giving. Okay, 3 cases, 3 questions they are giving. If you have to use SSS criteria. SSS criteria andre enu? Side, side, side. Then you need to show these 2 are congruent. Okay, they are giving here AR equals to dash, RT equals to dash, AT equals to dash. Okay, here what they are giving? Here given you want to show andre ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ this one and this one are congruent ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಏನು 3 questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. By using SSS criteria. By using SSS criteria, if you use SSS criteria, this one will be equals to which one ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. This one equals to which one? This one equals to which one? Okay, what SSS criteria will tell? Just you have to write the SSS criteria definition here. Okay. AR. What SSS criteria will tell? If 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 sides of corresponding 3 sides of another triangle, then we can tell that 2 triangles are congruent. Okay, here what they are giving? AR. Here positions are in same position. AR is equaling to P. See, like this only they are placing. AR is equaling to this side, left side. AR is equals to P. RT equals to EN. AT equals to PN. Okay, by using SSS criteria, SSS criteria, you can tell this one. Okay. B question. What is B question? If it is given that T is equals to N, this one and this one equal anta anಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and you have to use SAS criterion use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You need to what we have to you have to be equaling. SSS criteria ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Two sides and one included angle of one triangle is equals to two sides and included angle of another triangle. Okay, we can write this one and this one equal, this one and this one equal. Correct? What they are giving? They are only given RT. Okay, children, tell RT is equals to EN. PN is equals to PN. PN is equals to which one? PN is equals to AT. Okay, by using SSS criteria, included angle is they have given sides, we have to tell that equaling or not. What C question? If it is given that AT equals to, if it is given that for all they are giving only one triangle, congruent triangle pictures. Okay, if it is given AT is equaling PN, if it is given AT is equaling PN, we have what are equal anta kelta idare. We can tell these two are equal. Correct? By using ASA criteria ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ just which one are equaling ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. Okay, here what, since given only they have given AT is equaling PM. AT is equaling PM by using ASA criteria. They are congruent. These two are congruent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಆಂಗಲ್ A is equals to angle P. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Angle A is equals to angle P, and then T is equals to angle M. Angle N, that is N na? N. Okay children, just they are giving in this question what they are doing, they are giving two triangles. They only telling that these two are congruent by using the different criteria. How we have to tell. In next class what we are going to write means, you only directly like this, you have to write angles and sides whether they are equaling or not. Okay, thank you children, thank you for listening.